So welcome to our new chapter. Okay, then as we completed our second chapter, so from today we move to our new chapter, right? That is posology. This is our third chapter, right? This is our third chapter, that is posology. So have a look on slide, right? Okay, so in posology we will study about introduction of posology, then definition of posology means what is the posology, exact meaning of photology, some introduction regarding posology, then factors influencing doses, right? Factor influencing dose, then dose calculation means how to calculate the dose, there is some kind of formulas, right? Then veterinary dose, that is medicines used for animals, that is veterinary medicines, that is veterinary doses, right? So let's begin with introduction, right? So this is the introduction slide of our new chapter, that is posology. So let's begin. The word posology came from the Greek word. The meaning of posos is how much and logos means science. Posology is a branch of medical science, right? Posology is a branch of medical science. So the posology, it is a word, right? It is a Greek word. Sorry, not a Greek word. It is a derived from or took from the Greek word. Okay, Greek word, that is posos and logos. Logos and posos, these two words are Greek words, right? From this word we took posology word. Okay, so see the meaning of this two Greek word, that is poso. Poso is a Greek word. The meaning of poso in English, that is how much. How much means there is a represent the quantity, right? That is represent the quantity. How much, kitna. Poso means kitna. Then logos. Logos means science. Our science, that is Vignan. Our Vignan. Science, right? So the posology means how much, science of how much, that is okay. Poso means how much, logos means science. Then posology is a branch of medical science. Posology is a branch of medical science. Branch of medical science. We cannot fix the dose of drug because there are many types of factors which may influence the doses. Means this sentence says that we can't fix the dose to the all kind of people or patient, right? In they include the children, then adult, then elder patient, right? There is a patient at categories, mainly categories into three part, that is children, adult and elder patient, right? So we can't fix the dose means we can't dispense the same dose to the all kind of age group, right? All kind of age group, because there is some various kind of factors which may affect the or change the dose, change the doses, right? The official dose of many medicines are given in pharmacopoeia. Okay, the official dose means the pharmacopoeia, this is the one official book of medical science, right? This is the official book. All information regarding the any kind of medicines are available here. Okay, so also the pharmacopoeia represent the show the official dose, okay, on particular dose, which is show the actual average dose, means average dose pharmacopoeia always show the actual dose of medicines, right? For the adult only pharmacopoeia shows the actual dose of any kind of medicines for adult to be taken in 24 hours, मतलब ये ऑफिशियल बुक है एक फार्माकोपिया, हर मेडिसिन के एक एक्चुअल डोज जो है वो शो करता है फॉर एडल्ट के लिए, सिर्फ एडल्ट के लिए। मीन्स एडल्ट के लिए एक एवरेज डोज, एक्चुअल एवरेज डोज फिक्स करता है जिसे 24 घंटे के अंदर लेना है, ठीक है, फॉर एडल्ट। बट इफ वी नीड टू गिव अ डोज टू द चिल्ड्रन और एल्डर पेशेंट, दैट टाइम this science, that is posology, work. That time the posology worked. If we know the adult dose, on the basis of adult dose we can calculate the dose for children and elder also, right? Hence it is duty of doctor prescribe a accurate dose and mention the frequency of medicine in prescription. That's why the doctor know the how to calculate the dose on the basis of adult dose for children and elder patient, right? It is a duty of doctor to accurate the prescribe the accurate dose along with the frequency. Means how much time that particular tablet to be taken, okay, the timing of taking of medicines. These two things it is very important to prescribe by doctor, right? Then it is a responsibility of pharmacist also to check the carefully the prescribed dose and prevent the dispensing the overdose of medication to the patient. Then as like responsibility of doctor, there is a there are a also responsibility of pharmacist. He should carefully check the dose of that particular prescribed drug, whether it is written and proper dose or not, okay, in order to minimizing or prevent the overdose. If suppose the doctor prescribe a 40 mg drug, right, but pharmacist accidentally dispense a 50 mg drug, that time there is a happening the overdose, right? Hence posology work here to dispense a accurate dose to the patient, right? So let's see, it was a definition, it was a introduction, small introduction, right? Then forward to the definition of posology. So posology, it is a science which teach how to calculate dose and quantity of drug which is need to prescribe to patient in order to get a desired pharmaceutical action or pharmacological action or therapeutical action, right? Means for posology teach us means how to calculate the drug or how to calculate the dose and quantity of drug which helps to get a desired pharmacological actions, right? Means there is a simple meaning the calculation we learn the calculation of dose from this chapter, right? How to calculate the dose, okay, and which kind of factors may affect the dose, okay. If dose affected, then we will not get a desired pharmacological action. Either we get a high other action, right? If dose increase, we will get other action, or if the dose decrease, that time also we will get a other action, right? Then see, there is a factor which is influence the doses. Influencing means influence means change करना, okay, और alter means doses को factor which is affect the doses, right, which is affect the doses. मतलब ऐसे फैक्टर्स जो अफेक्ट करता है डोज को, तो जिसकी वजह से क्या होता है, हमें डिजायर्ड फार्माकोलॉजिकल एक्शन नहीं मिलता है, इसकी वजह से ट्रीटमेंट अच्छे से हमें नहीं मिलता है, ठीक है। तो ट्रीटमेंट ना मिलने की वजह से हमारा जो डिसीज़ है वो क्योर नहीं होता है, ठीक है। The ideal dose of medicines only produce desired pharmacological action. If our drug produce a pharmacological action, desired pharmacological action means which is we need, right? Means the drug, if the drug produce a pharmacological action, that time we called as that particular drug is ideal or safe for us, right? Due to this reason, desired pharmacological action, but this action varies from person to person. Okay, the ideal dose of medicines only produce a desired pharmacological action, but this action varies from person to person. Okay, the medicines can produce a pharmacological action, desired pharmacological action, but the action is varies from person to person. Suppose one person has a better there is one drug which is produce a good action on a patient, one patient, but same drug does not produce the same action like first person. Okay, due to the influencing the doses. Okay. Due to this reason, doses of official medicines are given in the form of range. Okay, due to action, due to different action from person to person. That's why the official medicines are given in the range of range. That's why medicines, the dose of medicines given in the range, which give the pharmacological action, and given range of dose depend on the adult requirement. And the prescribing doses depend on the requirement of adult, whether the adult is obese, right, or thin. Okay, on the basis of requirement, physical health or requirement of drug, on the basis of adult requirement, the range of dose are given, right? So there are some factor which may affect the dose of drug, right? There is a sub factor, means factor influencing the dose. There is a some factor, that is age. There is a 16 kind of factor which is generally affect the dose, right? So first is age also responsible for affecting the dose, sex, body weight, route of administration, time of administration, environmental factor, emotional factor, presence of disease, accumulation, additive effect, synergism, antagonism, idiosyncrasy, tolerance, tachyphylaxis, metabolic disturbances. These are the 16 kind of factor which may influence the or change the doses, right? So start with one by one, right? So first of all, that is a age. The first factor, that is age. The pharmacokinetic of drug to be altered with age. Pharmacokinetic of drug to be altered with age, right? So first of all, you have to know about the pharmacokinetic. I think it is a new for you. This word is new for you. Also you can listen this word in your pharmacology and toxicology subject, right, many time. That is pharmacokinetic related to the pharmacology, right? The pharmacokinetic, the simple, you remember the simple meaning of pharmacokinetic, that is the, it means the ADME of drug. It means the ADME of drug. So A is a short form, ADME is a short form of one process. Okay, so A means absorption, D means distribution, M means metabolism, and E means excretion. Absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of drug means pharmacokinetic, right? Pharma means, pharmacon means drug, right? Kinetics means power, energy. ADME of drug, right? And this ADME means the tablet are goes from this step: absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion, right? On the as age, right, the pharmacokinetic of drug will be